Today I'm going to turn Drake's Honestly Nevermind album artwork into Y2K and then extend the design onto a shirt design as well, so make sure you stick until the end to see the final result. Yo, what's good? It's your boy Dixon from Intuitive Designs. I am back again this week with another Y2K video. So about last week, Drake dropped his 7th studio album titled Honestly Nevermind. It was a surprise drop and this is the official album art, which seems pretty familiar to me for some reason. Anyway, so I figure why not take it out for a spin and add my own design touch to it. Let's go. So starting off, I'm gonna use this photo of Drake that I got from his Instagram. He didn't shoot any promo for this album because it was a surprise album, so I couldn't find a better photo for it. I'm gonna adjust the colors and then add a gradient overlay with very vibrant neon colors because I just want to make it look different than the official album art. I've got my own gradient presets, so I'll just use them. This looks pretty good, but I'm gonna add the gradient map layer to set the tone of the artwork. A lot of testing out here, so let's see where this takes. Right guys, now that's done. I quite like where this is going. It's way better than what I was anticipating, to be honest. We can all start with the Y2K logo, but I won't be using Adobe Illustrator for it. I'll just stick to Photoshop, since this is just a concept art. So yeah, I've decided to just use 2 separate fonts for the album title because it's pretty long, honestly, and I feel like Y2K logos are typically shorter and less cluttered. Before I begin, quick word from today's sponsor, Envato Elements. Envato Elements is the ultimate toolbox for us graphic designers. Offering more than 50 million assets, you can get pretty much everything you need for your projects, such as this, and even this. I've been using Envato Elements for almost 2 years now, and it's proven to improve my designs than before. You can simply go to the search bar, type in what you need, and you can sort the results based on orientation or even by colors. My favorite from the site is the 3D Assets library. For someone like me who don't use any 3D software, this really helps my workflow, and what's even better is you can get the angle you like and then download it as PNG file with already transparent background. With Envato Elements, you get unlimited downloads with only 1 subscription. So click the link below now to get 50% off on annual subscription, giving you full access for just $16.50 per month. Now let's get back to the video. So now the base is done, I think I'll extend this section here of the letter N, sort of joining it to the bottom letter M to round everything up. After that, I'll just hop on to eye candy for the 3D chrome look. I feel like the chrome silver look stands out too much, so I'm trying to color blend it better using the gradient overlay, but it doesn't seem to work so far, so I figured I'll get onto selective color tool, which is always the answer when it comes to color blending. Now I'm adding a Gaussian blur to a copy layer of the logo just to add more to the atmosphere. The logo actually blends a bit too well, but I'll make it brighter later and then play with the colors some more. I'm almost done here. Next, I'll just add a Gaussian blur effect to the Drake background layer to make the 3D logo pop more. After that, I'll just add a noise layer to further push the atmosphere. So final step is adding some icon elements to the album art. This will serve as a secondary element that will finalize the design. Although the placement is small in the design, but it actually makes a huge difference, which you guys will see in a minute. This is actually my Streetwear icon pack that I just made a couple of days ago. You can download it from my website too, link in the description below. After this, I'll just show you guys the final result. That is all for today. Hope you enjoyed the design process. I've got more videos to come, so if you're new, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out. Follow me on TikTok for more behind the scenes videos. Stay safe and see you on the next one.